No strategy needed, addition review. What should I do to decide if a strategy is needed? We're going to look at the tens column, do a quick mental addition. Does it add to less than 100? Look at the ones column, do a quick mental addition. Does it add to less than 10? Here's the problem. 15 plus 42. Again, I'm going to do a quick look at the tens. Is that less than 100? Yes. I do a quick look at the ones. Does that add up to less than 10? Yes, it does. So we can just add each column going straight down. 40 plus 10 is 50. 5 plus 2 is 7. And it's an NSN. The next problem, 21 plus 17. Do a quick look at the tens place. Is it less than 100? Absolutely. Is the ones column less than 10? Yes, it is. So we're going to quickly add 20 plus 10 equals 30. 7 plus 1 is 8. So it's a no strategy needed. If those columns do not equal 10 or 100 or 1,000, then you can just add each column. 28 plus 35. Notice my tens column is great, but my ones column goes over 10. So I would need a strategy. So you might do expand it and do 20 plus 8 and 30 plus 5. 20 plus 30 equals 50. 8 plus 5 equals 13, or 10 plus 3, for an answer of 63. Great job. All right, 63 plus 52. Notice my tens column goes over 100. So you might do a 50 group and do 50 plus 10 plus 3, and a 50 plus 0 plus 2. 100 plus 10 plus 5 for 115. Great job. All right, we're going to look at these problems, and if they need a strategy, we're just going to cross them out. If they don't need a strategy, we will solve them quickly. Oh, notice right there, our ones column is over 10, so we're just going to cross it out. And it's the ones column that caused the problem. 21 plus 35, notice they're all low numbers, so we're going to write 56 and NSN. 71 plus 18, yes, this too is an NSN for 89. All right, look at this problem. Oh, look at our ones. They equal 15, so we're going to cross it out and write ones problem. And the last one is 94, NSN. Great job. All right, press pause and quickly do these that you can solve with an NSN and cross out the others. All right, let's check your work. We're going to cross this one out because notice you equal a 10 in the ones place. So we're not going to solve that one. Oh, we can cross this one out because of our tens column. And this one we can just solve it. NSN is 97. We can solve this one at 99. And this one we will not solve because of the ones problem. Great job. All right, push pause and do the same thing. Let's check your work now. 69 NSN. Oh, we have a problem in both columns, in the tens and the ones. Here we have just a problem in the ones column. Here we have a problem in the tens column. Now, a lot of times by this time of the year, if it's just in the tens, I almost consider it an NSN because we know 70 plus 30 is 100. And then we just tack the ones on. But you can choose to do that either way. And the last one, NSN, is a 68. Great. All right, now doing it with 100s. So do the exact same thing. Push pause and solve them if they're NSNs. All right, let's quickly solve these. 357. 388. So that's an NSN. This is an NSN. Oh, did you notice that ones column? So ones problem, 885. Oh, do you see the problem in the tens column? Great job. All right, same thing, practice. And now let's check. Did you notice the tens column? So we'll cross it out and write tens problem. Oh, did you notice the hundreds and the tens? Oh, we can solve this one. Everything is below that 10. So 578. NSN 999. And NSN 387. So remember, do a quick check. Notice this problem is in the thousands, and you might think it's hard, but it's actually an NSN because all your columns are less than 10 or less than 100 or less than 1,000. So you can just add 2,148 plus 3,321 and get 5,469. Before you start doing all the work with all the other strategies we've practiced, always check to make sure it's an NSN. It's much easier.